We're going to be talking about drop shipping today. We're going to be talking about drop shipping because there's so much information out there. People have been going crazy. My inbox has been going nuts, right? My emails have been going crazy. So I'm going to take the time right now to go ahead and jump into it and break down this drop shipping thing and let you know exactly what's happening. Because see, what just happened was the ECX Academy just dropped and it's amazing. Like, it's phenomenal. Like I told you guys before, I've been drop shipping for 3 years. And when I started, it was a struggle. It was a true struggle. I spent money, I lost money. I tried products, they failed. I tried products, they worked. My distributor, disappeared on me. There's so many things that happened to me in my journey of drop shipping that I want to help you guys not have the same struggles, right? So that's why we're going to be talking about the ECX Academy from iMarkets Live, right? From IM Academy, because they've made it simple. They figured it out. They figured out what people were having problems with and they fixed it. So the ECX Academy is going to be a comprehensive step-by-step academy that teaches the average person, someone just like you and me, right, how to start a drop shipping store. Now, drop shipping is simple. Think about this. Last time you ordered a product, you were probably on Instagram, Facebook, somewhere online, and something popped up and you were like, oh, that looks cool. I want to order that, right? So you went to a website, you clicked it, you purchased, you ordered it, and it came to your home. Think about it. Somebody sold you that product. Now, did they own the product? Did they have the product sitting at home in their closet, on their floor? No, absolutely not. To do drop shipping means that you have found a distributor who has a product, and all you want to do is market the product and get paid for it. Now, let's just say, for example, we're going to go with these lights, right? We're going to go with these LED lights. The LED lights, I find a distributor who's selling the lights for $20, okay? I find them, I know that the distributor is good. I know that they're gonna be available whenever I need them. I found them for $20. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go create a website with the LED lights on it. I'm gonna make it nice, it's gonna be appealing. I'm gonna do all that, and then I'm gonna go market, right? Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, wherever, however, I'm gonna go market. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna see my ad, and you're gonna click it and go to my website. You go to my website and I have the LED lights for $60. My price is $60. You're like, I love those lights. I've been wanting those lights for my house. Boom, you click it, you purchase for $60. I'm gonna get an email saying, hey, Jane Doe just purchased the LED lights and here's $60. I'm gonna then go to my manufacturer. I'm going to order the lights for $20 and I'm going to keep a profit of $40. It's that simple, it's that easy. But see, what happens is behind the scenes, there's so much more that goes into ads, that goes into building a store, finding a winning product. There's so many other moving parts and other elements that we miss out on. And that's why some stores win, some stores fail, some people start, some people quit. It's because of the behind the scenes part. Now, the ECX Academy has done all the work for us, and they made an academy that you can just go into, watch videos, take notes, and they're going to show you step by step by step how to get your store up and running, how to find a winning product, how to make a website, how to run Facebook ads, how to find people online, how the people are going to find you and just make your phone go crazy with orders. So what I want to do right now is I want to jump into my back office and I want to show you exactly what the academy looks like. So right here, you're going to see the ECX Commerce, e-commerce, English, you're going to see Spanish, and you're going to see the resources. So you have all three right there. So depending on what your language of choice is, and then we have the resources for anything that you might need extra. So if you click on the English right here, you'll tap into it. You'll see the 100 series, the 200 series, the 300 series, and the 400 series. Now just think, someone who's brand new, they've never heard about e-commerce before, they're going to need to start at the 100 series right here. The 100 series is actually going to tell you what is e-commerce, right? Drop shipping models, intro to Shopify, things like that, products to sell, requirements to sell. These are all things that you're going to need as a beginner jumping into e-commerce, right? So a general store versus a niche store, products and suppliers, that's really, really big because you need to know about suppliers. That can hurt your business if you don't have a good supplier. Finding trending products, right? You have those, understanding fulfillment. You have to understand how fulfillment works. Okay, intro to customer support, all that stuff is there. Now think about, if you're someone who's already been drop shipping and you have a little more experience and you're just like, I need something else, or I'm missing a piece, or I'm missing an element, the 200, 300 series might be the better series for you to start, right? So let's just jump into the 200 series and let's just see what's there. Like I said, like I've been drop shipping for 3 years, and I would probably be someone that starts at like the 400 series, possibly, that I maybe just, I need a little more to take me over the edge, but I'm missing something in my business, and that's exactly what I need. So here's the 200 series: choosing a domain, Shopify sign up, connecting a domain, Shopify payments. That's really, really important. Your PayPal account. Some people don't have PayPal, some people do. Checkout, right? I created a store in Shopify some years ago, and I did all this traffic, and people were coming to my store, and nobody was buying anything, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. What was going on was my cart wasn't open, right? My checkout wasn't set up properly. So I had all these people come, they loved the product, they loved the site, but they couldn't check out. And that was something I didn't know until 2 or 3 days later. Okay, so shipping, right? Taxes. Taxes is a really, really big piece. You need to know how to pay the taxes for your store so you don't get hurt at the end of the year and then you're looking to collect taxes from you. You can set that up ahead of time through your store. Okay, so locations, gift cards, notifications, files, right? Channels, permissions, billing, all that stuff, all the legal stuff, capital. You need that stuff, okay? Let's jump into the 400 series. I'm gonna just show you some stuff there. Like I said, in case you are someone that already has experience, maybe the 400 series might help you out, right? Business manager, Facebook ads overview, adding an ad account. You need an ad account, okay? Installing Facebook pixels, adding a business line. All these things are important, okay? Adding, creating a fan page, okay? Manager, campaigns, AdSense, right? Types of ads. So let's just click on one of these videos, types of objectives. Let's just click on it so you can see what it looks like. All right, so you'll come into it right here. This video is 7 minutes and 47 seconds. It's not long. All right. It has a beautiful layout. It's super simple, super easy. It looks good. It's appealing to the eye. You're not watching some old lame video. You're gonna get exactly what you see.
ECX Academy, the IM Academy for e-commerce. In this course, we will be talking about types of objectives. Okay, so on the campaign
level,
right?
So you can kind of click through that. You'll be able to see that.
Where I showed how many truck drivers we can get.
All right, and we can go out of that and go back to our center. Let's just go to the 100 series and let's just see that what is e-commerce, right? We click on that video, you go out to it, and let's just see. Again, this is important. You want to know what you're paying for. You want to know what you're getting. Is there value there? Are you going to learn something? So I wanted to be able to really go into the back office and show you guys. Academy, you see what we have to offer. You see all the moving parts, the ECX Academy e-commerce mastery, right? You see the products, you see the tools, you know it works. And then you know that we have so much more. You get access to full-time professional master educators. We have something called Go Live that you can get on, and you're going to be able to live stream with people who have been doing e-commerce for years on years, people who have the results, people who have the numbers and the proof, and they're going to be helping you in real time, right? The market's changed so often that you have to stay up to date, right? Products come and go, trends come and go. With the Go Live education, you're going to be able to stay up to date with everything that's happening so that your stores can stay running, that you can find new products, and that way you can kill products that aren't working. And they're the ones who do all the research, and they come back and they make it easy for you. Okay, so the Go Live looks just like this. Right now we have a Spanish educator and we have an English educator. So like I said before, you have the options of going to either or. They come on, they do weekly training calls, and you're going to be personally mentored by those individuals to help you with your stores and help you figure out some things that may be missing or something to make your store better. All right, if you want more, right? You're thinking like, okay, Rhonda, why am I paying this price? What's the purpose? You actually have 4 more plugins, right? We have 4 more plugins that help you go further, longer, and make more money, right? We have the Hello Center. The Hello Center is going to be there for you. As you've seen before in my back office, it's clean. It's not hard to understand. It's not hard to navigate. We've made it simple because we don't want anybody to feel overwhelmed. We don't want you to feel like it's just so much and there's the information overload. We've actually laid it out to be very, very simple for you. Now, you're all wondering like, okay, what's the price? Well, how much is it going to cost? I've seen, right, drop shipping courses from $2,000 and up. that people were trying to charge, and they didn't even have half of the information. The beautiful thing about this is $324.95 to get started. That's your initial investment into getting the academy, getting the 4 plugins, and then there's a monthly fee of $274.95. Now, we spoke about this earlier. Imagine your store is making 10 sales, 20 sales, 30 sales a day, and you found a great product that can get you 100 sales, 200 sales. That monthly investment of $274.95 won't even be a problem once your store starts making the money. Now, like I said, you can start the academy today and be done tomorrow. You can start the academy today and be done next week. Depends on your learning style, the time that you have to commit to learning this, and you can have a store up very, very fast where you can start making money. But it's all about you. It's all about your work ethic, your learning style, your the time that you have to invest into learning this skill set. And that $274.95 monthly won't be even a problem because your store is going to be making money. Now, we have an option called our 2 and free, where if you refer 2 people to our program, to our academy, your membership of the $274 is going to be waived. Think about how many people want to drop ship. Think about how many people are probably, dying for this information. As soon as you get started, you're probably going to tell somebody, your friend, your mom, your cousin, your sister, right? Your best friend, your neighbor, and they're going to be like, hey, I want to do the same thing. You refer 2 people to our academy, and then your membership of $274 is waived as long as they're actively using the platform, which I know they will because they're going to be making money through their stores, okay? Now, become an independent owner. You can do this, right? It's something that we always refer to people because once you get going and once you start showing results, people are going to come to you and ask you, hey, how did you get your store going? Hey, how are you, how is your lifestyle changing? What is this? What is that? And now you're going to start wanting to tell them about the academy, right? We refer people to things all the time: restaurants, movies, clothing stores, barbershops, beauty shops. We refer people daily to different products and services, and we never get compensated. Well, IM Academy understands that marketing has changed. People aren't watching TV. They're not listening to the radio for commercials. We listen to Pandora, Apple Music, Spotify when there's no commercials. We're watching Netflix and we're watching Hulu, so we don't see commercials. So companies are no longer paying for commercials or print ads or billboards. They're actually paying distributors, right? Distributors. So after you refer your first 2 people, you're going to have your membership waived. It's going to be free, right? You're 2 and free. Now think about it. Your third person is going to get you paid from the company a monthly of $150. We get paid out every single Friday, which is $37.50, right? Now imagine if you invite 12 people to get started with the platform and they start opening their stores and they're getting results and they're telling people, and now you have 12 people inside of your organization. You're now making $600 monthly, $150 every single Friday. Now, if you're smart, you're going to be taking this weekly money and you're going to be investing those into ads, right? Investing into marketing for your business, and your store is going to take off, right? Every business needs capital to grow. That's the one thing that people lack is capital. So they hold off on starting that business. They hold off on their dreams because they lack capital. With this opportunity, once you get a result, once you know the program works, once you know that the information is quality, you can go and tell somebody and start generating weekly income to actually fund your business. Okay, so 30 people get you $1,000, 75 people get you $2,000, all the way up to $750,000 a month. Now, if you have a store and it takes off, if you have an opportunity and it takes off, and people are really seeing that this academy is of value, they're going to be blowing up your inbox. They're going to be blowing up your phone, asking you how and what and when, and they're going to be wanting you to tell them exactly what you did. So why are you not being compensated for the information that you have? Okay, so you see everything you see here. The whole presentation has been great. I hope you learned something today. I want you to get back with the person who invited you to this video and let them know you have more questions. Let them know you want to get some more information, or you want to see the back office, or you want to truly understand exactly what the ECX Academy is, and let them know whatever it is you need to feel comfortable. And I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.